The best business we can have is to have so many YouTube channels that will earn several thousands of dollars every month without doing anything special, which is only possible when all channels are faceless. If we start a channel without a face after it reaches revenue generation, we can leave the channel to the admin and start new channels ourselves. And in this way, we have several YouTube channels that we earn thousands of dollars every month through them. Today in this video I will introduce you 10 of the best YouTube ideas that don't require your face and some don't even require a voice, so it is better to choose one of these ideas and start working on after generating income to leave an admin and go to the other channel. Well, let's start. First is idea. The extremely popular idea that even some channels or monetize it with just a few videos. On this idea, you just put together the then and now image of actors, cars, countries, cities, companies, and entities. Let's go to see channels of this idea. As you can see, these channels are monetized with only one video, but these channels, let's go to see this idea. And all of video in this idea has a lot of treble view. And for example, one of these video is about Harry Potter actors and other video is about cities. Second ideas, washing dirty carpet is one of the most popular ideas on YouTube. You don't need your face, you can wear a mask. As you can see in this idea, you wash dirty carpet and take a video of the process of doing this. We will upload it on YouTube with a sample edit. The channel you see is active in this field and has as many videos as possible. And if we see that its monthly income was $21,000 in the last month, just upload 3 videos a week and you will have a channel like this. Third ideas. Walking in the big and famous streets of every city has its charm. Go to the most famous street of your city and take a video of the walking process without talking or showing your picture. If you search for the word walk with me, you will find an interesting video. Who are these fields and this channel that you see received a lot of wonderful videos. It has the number of videos, and if we go to see income of the last month, $18,000 in the last month. Video recording is very easy, just walking down the street and take a 20-minute video. So you can just go one day and week before noon and record several videos in the city center and publish them throughout the week. The fourth idea, it is one of the most popular styles of today's ASMR, which is performed in different ways. In the fourth idea, you can create an extremely profitable channel that doesn't need your face and voice work with mask animation and removing pimples, acne, and wounds from people's faces. This channel that you see only has subscribers by the number of videos, and all its work is to clean people's faces from pimples and acne. So maybe you can tell me how to make this animation. Go to Google Play or App Store and search the word beauty makeover ASMR. There are many games you can download and take a video of this game from your phone screen and upload it on YouTube with a sample edit. Well, let's see the income of this channel. The part you can see in the last month has earned $5,000. So if you want a lot of money, start this idea. The fifth idea, top 10 videos have always been popular since the last few years, and People still laugh and watch this video. In this idea, you only use copyright-free photo and video on topics such as 10 largest houses in the world, or 10 of the most expensive car of the world, 10 of the most dangerous armies in the world, and etc. Make video with other attractive title and recording your voice and put them on photos and video. The sixth idea: play and earn money. Stickman game is one of the most popular games. If you do a search on YouTube, you will see different type of these. You just need to go to Google Play or App Store and search word of the segment and find this game. Download it. Take a video of the game from the screen and upload it on YouTube with a sample edit. In order to reduce the risk of monetizing your channel, it is better to talk a little during the game. So let's see the income of one of these channels. It has earned $34,000 in the last month, so it's great money making idea. First go watch some of these video on this channel and then start. The seventh idea: edit training is with mobile, but you have to use only one of the edit app. For example, only edit with InShot or CapCut, and only leave the edit training with this program. Just record the video of the edit flow from the screen and upload it on YouTube. And the important point of the idea is that it has a high CPM and its income is several times that of other channels. The eighth idea: if you saw this idea, you have only one competitor on YouTube. You can earn a lot of income by maintaining the wall plant. If you search the word DIY garden on YouTube, you will see the video of this channel, and with view it has. Let's go to this channel and let's check this channel only with video to the subscribe has received. That if we go to the last month of this channel, we will see this channel in the last month it has earned $23,000. So if you are interested in this idea, go and watch a few videos of this style first, then start, and you only need to make 3 videos in a week. In less than 2 months, you will achieve income generation. The ninth idea: the videos are quizzes. If you search for the word quizzes on YouTube, you will come across videos that have a lot of triple view. Let's check a channel together. This channel is only video to subscribe received and about the time it is active. And if we go see its income for the last month, this channel has earned $14,000 in the last month. So if you are interested in this topic, go watch some video of this style, then start creating content for your channel and try if you can. In this idea, it is better to have a video every day to grow as soon as possible and get a lot of income from this topic. The 10th idea: motivation is one of the most important things to move people, and motivational videos have always been popular. They are viewed millions of times, and even these videos will be viewed. Be your face. Let's check this channel. This channel only with the video has subscribers, and if we see the income of the last month, this channel in the last month he has earned $31,000. I suggested that if you are interested in this topic, first check 1 or 2 of the big channel on this topic, then go and start working. There are 10 of the best ideas. If you are still interested in other ideas, go to the channel and watch the second video of ideas without faith. Goodbye.